Currently, in the United States, about 20 million people have reported high levels of binge drinking and drug abuse, with this number continuing to increase with the prevalence and availability to acquire both drugs and alcohol with relative ease. So the question that's posed to many individuals is that if the problem of addiction is as simple as getting help, and there are many different places that can help people overcome addiction, then why do people not check in to fix their problems? Although it seems like a very simple answer to this question, there are many different factors that prevent people from making that conscious decision. The first step of addressing addiction, whether it is for alcohol or for drugs, is the recognition of the necessity for help and working with different people to make an impact on your view of your own addiction in order to overcome it. Someone who understood their problem and benefited through the entire process of coping with their addiction was Derek Kirkland. Derek is a recovered crack cocaine user who has struggled with addiction since he was in college. Derek grew up around a family in which his father had been a chronic alcoholic, which had led to physical abuse to his mother and eventually to a split between the parents. In his teenage years, Derek was a regular user of both alcohol and marijuana. Derek then moved on to harder recreational drugs, primarily crack cocaine, which eventually led to him having spells of homelessness. However, after the overdose of his best friend, Derek realized that he needed to give his life purpose. For that reason, Derek made the conscious decision to check into the Peer Center of Columbus, a partner of ADAMH, where he was able to overcome his addiction and even become a part of the staff as a support coordinator. The Alcohol, Drug, and Mental Health Board of Franklin County, or ADAMH, that helped Derek, is an organization that works to help people like him and provide the most affordable and highest quality of addiction and mental health services for patients. Although this process of addiction is a long, enduring one, Derek understands that the road to recovery cannot be completed within a few days, but it is a process that lasts one day at a time for the foreseeable future.